Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the Cresee case I purchased on Amazon for the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. Now the Xiaomi 11T Pro, I really need to get used to that tongue twister. The Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G comes with a transparent TPU case in the box. This is the sort of case Chris over at TechSpert would call a condom case. It's perfectly functional, it does the job, it keeps your phone mostly protected. But I was looking for something a bit more stylish, and more importantly, I was looking for something that was protect the camera bump on the smartphone a little bit more. So I purchased this on Amazon as an Amazon Prime subscriber. It was delivered the next day, really fast delivery. So let's take it out of its packaging, look at it, and more importantly, take the styrofoam out of the inside. Now, first thing you noticed is there is a bit of a felt finish on the inside. It's not a completely silicone made one, and there is appropriate cutouts for the camera and a camera protection system that actually protects that bump. And that's what I was looking for. So let's slip the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G into this Cresee case that I purchased on Amazon and see how it performs. Now, it just fits in very snugly, it fits in quite well, and I can see that the camera module is well protected. At the top we have the appropriate cutouts for the infrared blaster and the stereo speaker or microphones as well. At the bottom we have cutouts for USB Type-C charger, microphones and speaker, and on the right hand side we have a little loop for lanyard, so if you want to wear your phone on a lanyard you can do so. There's a perfect cutout for the on-off button, which is also a fingerprint scanner, and that works very well. I must say I have been enjoying using this fingerprint scanner on the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. And volume rocker, let's check that that works as expected. So I must have mistouched this fingerprint scanner one time too many there. So volume down works fine, volume up works as expected, volume down. So it's all working as expected with the volume rocker. There's no stickiness in the buttons. And I have to say I quite like the fact that the camera bump is not only protected, but there is the appropriate cutouts for it. So I can put my phone down on a surface without worrying about that camera bump getting scratched. In terms of the front of the device, there is a minimal little lift from the edge of the case. It is negligible, so as always I recommend having a screen protector on your smartphone. Make sure that that's protected, especially if you're going to be putting it down flat on a surface. And in the hand, it feels like a silicone case, as you'd expect, but it's not slippery and it's not too sticky. And the good news is it's not a fingerprint magnet. Usually with some of these silicone cases, you do end up leaving oily marks on them. They start getting grubby pretty fast. This one seems not to be the case, probably because it's slightly darker, but also the material is nicely finished, so I'm happy with this. So that was a quick review and unpackaging of the Cresee case for the Xiaomi 11T Pro 5G. Thank you for watching if you made it this far into our video. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover smartphones, gadgets that we believe make the smartphone and, more importantly, the travel experience better. And we believe cases and accessories such as cases make an important difference. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe, and goodbye from me.